Social platforms reward speed and quality, but most of us struggle to balance the two. And let's be honest, content editing used to be a grind. We'd spend hours tweaking tiny details and fixing mistakes no one else would even notice. But now, everything has changed. AI has been a game changer for creators, and Google just handed us a new weapon, the Nano Banana AI image editor. This isn't just another tool. It's a time machine. It takes hours of editing and compresses them into seconds, giving you the leverage to focus on the real game, creating more content faster. I've tested it, and it's hands down one of the most powerful AI editors I've seen yet, competing with giants like Photoshop and Canva. And the craziest part, most of its best features are free. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I use Nano Banana for content creation. By the end, you'll see why this isn't just editing software. It's a growth strategy. You can try it right now at ai.studio/banana. Or if you want the free shortcut, head to lmarena.ai and look for Gemini 2.5 Flush Image Preview inside Direct Chat or Battle Mode. Some platforms like Adobe Firefly and Adobe Express are also starting to bake it in. You can even find it on Artlist, the all-in-one platform for video creators. Here's the magic: consistency and control. It is perhaps the most incredible feature. While most AI tools mess up fonts, faces, and colors, Nano Banana leaves everything else untouched. So when you remove an object, the background, lighting, colors, and text all stay perfectly consistent. For creators, this is a game changer in animation and filmmaking. With just one picture, Nano Banana can generate multiple camera angles and new versions of a scene, all while keeping the same style and characters. Imagine starting an empty room. You add a couch, then a table, repaint the walls, even change the floor, and everything stays seamless without losing quality. This means you can build entire animated stories with multiple scenes from just a few reference images, all while keeping the same characters throughout. And it's fast, like seconds fast. Edits cost just a few cents, about 4 cents each. And the best part, you don't need Photoshop skills. Just type whatever you want. Nano Banana handles it all. Here are some use cases. Background removal is flawless, even around tricky details like hair or fingers. Objects vanish as if they were never there, while color changes on shirts, cars, or entire rooms look natural, with textures and reflections staying perfectly intact. Text edits are just as sharp. You can swap words without breaking the font. No more melted letters. For product shots, you can drop items straight into ads, catalogs, or even subway posters instantly. It also keeps characters and styles consistent across multiple images, which is a game changer for animation and storytelling. It's one of the things I'm most excited about for my storytelling projects. If you also have old or blurred photos, it can restore and colorize them beautifully. If you're in the mood to experiment, you can transform your shots into paintings, cartoons, or even claymation.
I've missed you so much.
I missed you too.
It's also helpful for thumbnail and design ideation, giving you solid templates and allowing you to cut yourself out, replace objects, and adjust contrast instantly. While there are still a few quirks and limitations, for instance, it might avoid specific copyrighted styles or require precise prompts for text spacing, overall, its power, accuracy, speed, and pricing are a big step forward for AI image editing. It really feels like having Photoshop-level tools you can control with simple words. And here's the kicker. You have first mover advantage. Hardly anyone is using this yet. This is one of those rare moments where timing matters. If you wait 6 months or a year to use it, you might miss the wait. So go try it out and see what you can build. And if this breakdown helped you, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more AI deep dives. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.